Hi all, welcome to our class. In this section, let us discuss some topics. First one is linear pair. So, a linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays. So, we have studied rays, and also studied adjacent angles. So, now we are going to discuss linear pair. So, a linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays. So, we have studied adjacent angles. Two angles are said to be adjacent. There are three conditions. The first condition is that they have a common vertex. Second one is they have a common arm, and the non-common are on either side of the common arm. So, two angles, angle 1 and 2, angle 1 and angle 2. So, two angles, angle 1 and angle 2, there are two rays. This is OA, OB, this is OP, angle 1 and angle 2. Two angles are said to be adjacent angles. They have a common vertex, then a common arm is there, then the other non-common arms are either side of the common arm. That is adjacent angles. Then a linear pair is said to be an adjacent angle is said to be a linear pair whose non-common sides are opposite rays. This is the common arm. These are the non-common sides. So non-common sides are OA and OB. That is the rays. OA is a ray, OB is a ray. So 1 and 2 are adjacent angles, but when we say that these two adjacent angles are said to be a linear pair, then these two rays are in opposite direction. Then only it will become a linear pair. Here 1 and 2 are linear pair. Another example, say angle 1, 2. 1, 2 angles. Then this is the common arm, this is the vertex. 1 and 2. Here common vertex O, two angles. There are common arm is there. Two non-common arms are either side of the common arm. So this is the 1 and 2 are adjacent angles. Then if these adjacent angles are said to be linear pair, then these two non-common are in opposite direction, opposite rays. But here they are not in opposite rays. This is in the direction and this is in direction. So these are not in opposite rays. Here OB and OA are in opposite directions, opposite rays. So we can say that 1 and 2 are linear pair. And here is not a linear pair. Not a linear pair. So 1 and 2 are linear pairs. Here not a linear pair. So common adjacent angles and the non-common sides are opposite rays. That is called linear pair. Another important thing is that the sum of angles, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. So the sum of the two angles are 180 degree. That is the peculiarity of linear pair. So sum of the angles are angle 1 and angle 2 are 180 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2 which is equal to 180 degree. So a linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays. That is angle 1 plus angle 2 which is equal to 180 degree. Which means if this is 60 degree, if this is 60 degree, it will become 120 degree. That is, the sum is 180 degree. That is linear pair. Or this is 50 degree, this is 130 degree. This sum is 180 degree. So these are the two conditions. The sum is 180 degree and the non-common sides are opposite rays. Then it is called a linear pair. Okay, let us discuss some questions. Find the values of x in following linear pairs. So linear pairs So first question, x 105. Here angle is x. This is 105. So let us these two angles are linear bias. So common arm, non-common arms are in opposite direction. So these are linear pair. So sum is 180 degree. That is x plus 105, which is equal to 180. Sum is 180 degree. From this we will get the value of x. So x is equal to 180 minus 105. 180 minus 105. So 180 minus 105, which is equal to 75 degree. So x is 75 degree. Then the sum will become 175 plus 105, that is 75 degree. So sum is 180 degree. So 75 plus 105. So we know how to solve equations. So x plus these two angles, sum of these two angles is 180 degree. So x plus 105, which is equal to 180 degree. So we have to solve this equation. So subtracting 105, that is x equal to 180 minus 105. So we got 75. So 175 degree is the value of x in the first question. Second question, look at here. Here two angles x and 63 degree are the linear pairs. So this is the common arm. Non-common arms are on either sides. So sum is 180 degree. So x plus 63 degree, that is sum is 180 degree. So x is equal to, subtracting 63 or 63, transform into RHS, it will become minus 63, that is 180 minus 63. So 180 minus 63 is 170. So 170 degree is x. X is equal to 170 degree. And third one, x 30 degree. So this is a linear pair, 30 degree x. So sum of these two are 180 degree. So x plus 30 is equal to 180 degree. That is x is equal to 180 minus 30 is equal to 150 degree. So x is equal to 150 degree. So using the concept, the sum of the angles in a linear pair is equal to 180 degree. So we can find the value of x. Here 117 plus 63, that is 180 degree. So here x is equal to 117. Here x is equal to 150. So using sum of the angles of a linear pair is 180 degree, we can find the values of x.